You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only jealous sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire burning holes inside my brain.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Isaac Bududa. Today I'm with people, so my classmates, we can ask them some questions. Let's see if they can name those questions or they can answer those questions. So first, what is your name?
My name is Nunu.
Yeah.
My name is Amna.
Okay. Nunu, name 5 things you cannot live without.
Wait, hold on. Let me redo this. 5 things that I cannot live without.
Yeah.
So my family, food, some of my friends, money, and fried food.
Fried food. Okay. What about you?
Family, my phone, food, and then music,
Okay.
my bed.
Your bed.
Yeah.
So there are 4.
You need one more. Okay. And my boyfriend.
Oh, your boyfriend. Okay.
She doesn't have a boyfriend.
I have.
Okay. Okay. Yo, bro, what is your name?
My name is Farhat.
Where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan originally.
Okay. I want to ask you, can you name 5 things you cannot live without?
Okay, that's a cool question actually. The most important thing for me is my family. I cannot live without them. And then oxygen, obviously, right? That's the most important thing. The third one is not going to school.
Yeah.
And then the 4th one is probably water.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot live without that. And also earth, the 5th one. They cannot live.
What about your girlfriend?
My girlfriend?
Yeah.
I don't have a girlfriend actually. Sorry guys, I don't have any.
Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no problem.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you.
Okay. Hey guys, so we're on a hike and it's pretty good, you know. We're gonna see how other people are feeling. So I'm just gonna find someone to interview them. Hey, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So how are you feeling about the hike right now?
It's pretty good. It's actually tough when you come all the way here for like 2 hours.
Okay.
But it's kind of fun when you're with your friends. Right, we are in the end of the world right now. We're at the edge of World War III.
Okay,
By the way,
minus the war, I'm asking how you're feeling, you know, like the complicated situations. So yeah. So everything was easy so far because you had your friends and everything?
Yeah, it was not easy actually, because you have to hike all the way up. But it was fun.
Don't you find it that some of your friends are all the way in the front and you're in the middle and there are some in the back?
Yeah, they found some goals actually. That's why. That's why.
So when you're on hike with your guy friends, they will ditch you for girls they find.
Exactly. This guy, you can feel him.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so hey guys, like a group of us just passed. Look at them. They're all like already passed, and I'm about to interview somebody who has literally the exact same name as me. Nunu, guys, just watch out. I'm just waiting for her because, you know, she likes to take pictures, you know, I've noticed. And she stopped. Exactly the Nunu I'm talking about. You were talking about me? Yeah, I was waiting here. I knew you were going to catch up. So, okay. Nunu, how was your trip been so far?
It was good.
It's okay. It's been
Thank
good
you.
so far?
Yeah, very
Any
great.
hardships, any tiring?
No, it was really good.
Tell them the story how you almost killed me. Sorry about that. You see, guys, like, watch out.
Yeah,
when you ask someone with the same name as you, sometimes it doesn't work out for the best, you know? She wanted to be the only Nunu. She tricked me, and I almost fell down a hill. No! Are you sure about that? Should I ask your friends?
Yeah, you should. Hello, everything. Can you come up here?
Everything, not even everybody. Hey guys, can you please tell them, have you witnessed Nunu try to kill me?
Oh yeah, earlier.
She's the... Yeah.
You see? It was accident. You guys collided.
Collided.
Yeah.
When the worlds collide, guys. So yeah, guys. So basically, we've almost lost the group. So that's very much it. And later on, I'll hopefully interview someone else. But that's it for now. Thank you and bye. You're tired, huh?
We was walking like 3 hours, 1 hour and a half walk, 1 hour and a half come. So I feel I'm tired. It's first time for me actually to come here, but I really like this place. It's calm and
Are you scared after what I told you in that story of the missing kids?
no. I like
Well, do you think you will find them though?
I think this is not good for like for kids. Like 18 to up, that's fine for them to come here.
Don't bring your kids here. If you want your kids alive for the next day, do not bring
it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's pretty muddy. I've seen so many people wearing white shoes. Trust me. Oh! And so many people tripping like just side it right there. But guys, no-nos, big no-nos, what you should not do. Bring white shoes to a hike. You know what I mean? I've seen so many white shoes. If I could tell the cameraman to find the white shoes, even the cameraman is wearing white shoes. But, you know, we ain't got to talk about that.
Good shoes, good clothes. Cover your hair because sometimes it's raining.
But guys, let us know what type of stories you guys want to hear, you know? Make believes, you know? I'm not that scared those who want to go on a hike. It's not a real story.
Years, 6 whole months since I saw your face that night. It took 5 seconds to fall in love with you more to make you mine. Now it's 4 in the morning, sun setting, 7 minutes with you and it's heaven. An hour that rolls by